Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to How to Guide YouTube channel, and in today's video we are back with another Instagram related video, and we are going to be teaching you guys how you guys can turn on your auto caption on Instagram IGTV. So for those people who do not know what automatic caption on Instagram IGTV is, caption is a subtitle which is added to your video, so you can even add it manually. But if you guys don't want to add it manually, you can turn on the auto caption on Instagram, which is a feature. But if you turn that on, then basically Instagram's bot is going to add caption to your video. Now remember, if you turn that on, your caption cannot be 100% correct. Your Instagram's bot is going to recognize your voice and turn on the caption and translate what you're saying into words. All right, so if your word is not clearly said, then Instagram's bot cannot hear it carefully and it cannot translate it into words. So just keep that in mind. It cannot be 100% correct. But let me show you guys how you guys can do it. First, you want to upload an IGTV video which needs to be more than a minute if you guys want to upload it on IGTV. So let me upload a video which is more than a minute. I can click on this plus button over here, and I'm going to choose a video which is more than a minute, which is this. And I'm going to click on this arrow button over here, and I'm going to click on long video, which is IGTV form. Click on continue. After that, I'm going to click on next. Once I'm over here, I want to scroll down until I see advanced setting. Once you see advanced setting, you want to click on advanced setting and turn on where it says auto generated caption. Once you turn this on, it's basically done. After turning this on, you want to go back and you want to add title for an IGTV video. So let me add a random title, and after you have added a title, you can click on post to IGTV, and after posting it, wait for an hour. It might take an hour for Instagram's bot to translate what you're saying into word, and after it's done, it's going to be displayed down on your video. So yeah, if you guys found our video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. And as I said, your caption cannot be 100% correct since your Instagram's bot is translating it. It's not a human, it's Instagram's bot, so they might not understand what you're saying if you don't say it good enough for the Instagram bot to translate it. So yeah, that's a tip. So have a nice day.